so you got to pre-orientate the orientations.
Hello, Bill. Here we go. I want to show you what the inside of your engine looks like. And Steve is going to rotate. And this is a beautiful thing. Pretty amazing.
We can even while you're videoing.
Yeah, yep. Let's do that. I'll push and you pull, or vice versa.
Sure. You flip it up this way.
Oh yeah, then show the alignment.
And well, and the all the stuff going by here and everything.
Yep. Whoa. Exciting. Okay.
High torque, high yield.
That's right.
Everything working, and then if you come around, make it go pop.
Yeah, just for fun. There we go. All right, and then show the alignment. Look at that. That is